Tips on push-ups and pull-ups. Push-ups and pull-ups are the best bodyweight exercises to develop strength and fitness for our upper body. Doing these two bodyweight exercises can be conveniently done at home. You do not need fancy equipment or a gym membership to become physically fit. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. But one thing I learned about these two bodyweight exercises is that you can do too many of them. I learned this the hard way. I thought more about the quantity of these two exercises. Now I am thinking more about the quality of the movement when performing these two exercises. Before, not too long ago, I would do hundreds of push-ups and a maximum number of pull-ups, then my body started to talk to me. My elbows and shoulders had nagging pain and stiffness that does not go away. Eventually, I could not do as many push-ups and pull-ups. What did I do to remedy the aches and pains from doing these two exercises? I realized my body, especially my joints, elbows and shoulders, needed rest. It is during this resting period that it will recover and get stronger and better. This may seem trivial, but the key to getting stronger and better is not to do more. It is to do better ones. You have to think quality over quantity. Also, it is to do a variety of push-ups and a variety of pull-ups with lesser repetitions. For example, you can do the standard push-ups wide grip version, diamond version, dive bomber version, decline version, clapping or plyometric version, and a variety of others. Do a variety of them, but keep the repetitions low. Instead of doing 50 repetitions, then do 20 repetitions, even less. Less is best. Also, I enjoy doing the military push-ups with your hands close to the body, and when you are in the down position your elbows are touching your sides. You will need to rotate your palms where your fingers are facing away from your body. Do a few repetitions only at a slower speed, maybe a 3-second count going up and a 3-second count going down. You can do that with your other push-ups also. Go slower, not faster, and lower the repetitions. You may want to try 10 repetitions first. With pull-ups, it is essential not to do much. Try a variety of pull-ups such as the standard, close grip, wide grip, be careful, chin-ups, commando pull-ups, alternating grip, and a variety of others. You may want to do 2 to 3 repetitions and slowly build yourself up. Then, you can go slower on your exercise. If it is difficult, you can try only 1 repetition and go down 3 to 5 seconds, and go up 3 to 5 seconds. This is the variety that can help you. Those are the tips on push-ups and pull-ups. Lower your repetitions. Also, if you are experiencing pain in your shoulders, then try to do some dumbbell upright row. It helped me a lot. Do not work harder, work smarter. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.